Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have something exciting to share. No, I really don't have anything exciting to share. I'm sorry. I really don't. I'm just gonna go now. Gonna walk off. But seriously, today we're gonna talk about superfoods, foods that make your hair grow. And I'm so excited to share this because these foods have actually helped me in my hair length journey. I can show you some pics of my hair length journey. Right now, this is not a real representation of my hair. So, yeah. But you know, if I had it straightened and stuff like that, it could be like this length, you know. I have to do a length check soon so you can see what I'm talking about. But anyway, the first thing that makes your hair grow is leafy greens. I have always heard about this, so this is like my first #1 tip when it comes to growing your hair. You guys remember, did you guys used to watch like Disney Channel, and like they used to show these like little mini episodes of these two little kids, and they used to talk about stuff. I don't know what they were talking about.
My Super Short Show! What's up? It's Mike here, and well, this is my show.
Thank you, Disney. That leafy greens make your hair grow, like specifically dark greens. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, Brussels sprouts, they promote hair growth because they have iron in it, which is good for the blood cells. Anything that could promote healthy blood cells and healthy hemoglobin is good for growing out your hair. It also has vitamin C, and it has sulfur, which is a mineral that supports hair growth. So definitely get you some leafy greens on your diet. I went out, I bought some kale. I bought some baby kale, and I'm gonna make me a salad. I'm gonna eat that so my hair can grow, and just wait to see the results. But honest to God, whenever I wanted my hair to grow, like I would just eat a lot of leafy greens, and I actually would see some type of improvement in my hair. Second thing is eggs. Eggs has biotin in it. What? I'm sure you've heard biotin several times in natural hair products. Biotin is supposed to help the keratin infrastructure of your hair, so it makes your hair stronger, and when your hair is stronger, your hair is able to grow a lot faster instead of breaking out and breaking down and split ends and all that stuff. Biotin is like a super mineral, super vitamin that helps with that. Another food that has biotin is almonds. Almonds are like the perfect snack. It's such a healthy snack for you. Not only does it give you energy, it makes you full, but it's supposedly also good for promoting hair growth as well because of the biotin in it. It also has fatty acids in it, and that promotes hair growth because it helps with blood flow, like I mentioned before, and having that increased blood flow, that good blood flow going on, makes your hair grow a lot faster. It has vitamin E, it has iron, it has protein. Protein is very important for hair growth. That's why we do protein treatments, so that our hair gets stronger. It also has magnesium, which is also necessary because they say that a magnesium deficiency causes your hair growth to stunt. So it's been linked with hair loss, and so with the increase of magnesium, the more your hair grows. Another food is sweet potatoes. I'm just really going through my grocery list right now because I literally bought these things when I went grocery shopping. But sweet potatoes has beta-carotene. Oh, did I say that right? No. Beta-carotene. Yes. Beta-carotene is supposed to convert the foods into vitamin A, which is necessary for cell growth. A deficiency in vitamin C can actually lead to dull hair, flaky scalp, which does not promote hair growth at all. When you have dry, dull hair, it can actually make your hair grow a lot slower than it's supposed to. In fact, sweet potatoes and foods in vitamin A is really good for dandruff and dry scalp. I have dry scalp, I have dandruff, so I love me some sweet potatoes because of that. Another food is avocado.
Welcome to my kitchen. We have bananas and avocado.
Avocados are high in vitamin B and E. Vitamin B and E are great for preventing hair loss because a lot of stress, a lot of aggressors can cause hair loss. And so that's why vitamin B and E is an essential part of your daily regimen because that will help you a whole lot. Vitamin E helps repair the damage on the scalp, and vitamin B is essential for hair growth. So get you some
avocado.